for this example, we're going to solve this system of inequalities. Y is less than or equal to x plus 3. Y is greater than or equal to negative x plus 5. In order to do this, I'm going to use the graphing calculator. So on the graphing calculator, you can hit y equals. And once you're there, you can put in your first equation, which is x plus 3. So x plus 3. Now you can scroll over to behind y equals. You can press enter. Now this first one is the color. If you scroll down, you can use the line and just scroll over until you see this is the greater than symbol, but we want the less than. So we do one more time, and this is the less than. So now go down and enter at OK. So now we're going to go down again, and we're going to put in our second equation, which is negative x plus 5. X plus 5. And we're going to scroll over to behind the y equals. And we need greater than. So we hit enter. We can go down. And we go sideways. And this is the greater than. So now down again and we press OK. And if we graph this, we can see that this blue shading was the top equation and the red shading was the bottom equation. And the only part that is our solution is where they overlap. So we can just draw a sketch of this. And this one intersects about right here. And these are also solid lines because they have the equal sign underneath. If they didn't have the equal sign underneath, you would need to use dotted lines. And so we only use the overlapping part is our actual solution. So this is our solution right here. Now I'm going to show you how to do it by hand. So draw our tick marks. These are both already in y equals mx plus b form. So for the first one, your y-intercept is at positive 3. And it has a slope of 1. So up 1 over 1. Down 1 over 1. And you can connect the dots. And this one has a y-intercept of 5 and a slope of negative 1. Down 1 over 1. Down 1 over 1. And you can connect those. Now you want to look for the section. So this is our first one. Y is less than or equal to x plus 3. And this is our second one right here. Y is greater than or equal to negative x plus 5. So you want to look for, because this one says greater than, an area that is above this line. So all of this region, but it also has to be below, because this one is less than, below this line. So if you think about it, the only area that is below this line, but also above this line, is this region right here. We can't include this because this isn't below this line. And we can't include this because it's not above this line. So it's only this small area right here. And so that's two ways to get the same answer, whether you're using the graphing calculator or just doing it by hand.